Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys here. I just ordered this fan for my computer. I ordered another one earlier, but noticed it wasn't the right one, so I quickly canceled it and got it on time. This fan cost me a total of $8.25. Go ahead here and pull bigger images up. But as you can see by this picture, it's missing a whole bottom part of it, and that's what broke on mine. The old one is the tabs on the fan part here broke off. Here it's by Earth Tech. Now this bottom part here unscrews. You can see these little screw holes around here. Well, this bottom part here that has your heat sink right on it goes on there. Now on the other side here, I pull this off and unscrew those and put it on when the new one comes in. So I'm currently gonna just redo all of these. This is a little backup battery to save info. I would replace it, but I don't want to chance anything getting erased, so that can go ahead and just wait. I'm eventually thinking of doing some mods to this, like updating my RAM and some other stuff. Here's the heat sinking paste for the RAM right there, or not the RAM, the heat sinking chip. So I might actually have to buy some heat sinking, which is thermal paste. Let's see here, which you could put right on here again. So I'll be buying a tube of thermal paste for it, like right here. There's 19 different offers, I think it says. But that says $5 free shipping, and so on and so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Heck, I would actually be paying more there. That's 5, that's close to $6 compared to $5 free shipping. So we're gonna go ahead here and place the order for the $5 thing of thermal paste. Whoops. Hang on, I have 2 things in my cart apparently on here. 3 things actually. What are the 3 different things that are in my cart? How do I have 3 things in here when it only shows 1 item? 530. Yes, so how do I have 5 items in my cart? No, I didn't ask for a quantity of 3. I asked for a quantity of 1. There we go. So somehow it gave me the quantity of 3 of these for some odd reason, so I have no clue why it did that to me. So I am currently placing the order for it here. So standard 3 to 5 day business shipping. So I'll go ahead here and hit continue to have that placed. To place order. And now I just put in the order for some more thermal paste, which contacts right here for a heat sink. There's also another one underneath here, under the fan, but it don't need it. Well, it's underneath here actually, sorry. It's right underneath there. So what I'm thinking is this travels the heat out through here, and this cools it. This is also extremely dirty and dusty in here. So I'll probably wipe this out actually really quick before I put anything really together on this any farther. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my power wire from the main board here. Here's your board for it. I had a nice, there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and get a towel and wipe out the stuff here and get what's broken or laying around in here cleaned out. And then we'll be ready to go. I actually think I'll plug the sweeper in and sweep out the port a little bit. Since there's no power to it, it's not going to hurt any of the parts to it. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. Now, I'm going to go ahead and move a whole bunch of stuff here so I don't suck anything up that I need. And I'm going to, oops, go ahead and sweep this.